What's up, guys? Today we have a small problem. Yes, very small problem. The wire. I cannot go anywhere. I'm stuck. Let me show you what I bought on Amazon. Okay, so it's time to open the box. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Only that. Empty. Okay, so made in China. Let's open the other box. Wow. Wow. This is very neat. Okay, so it's supposed to have 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, a lot of cable, and a mount for a cell phone or a camera. So let's look at it. Wow, not bad, eh? The antenna is already there. The clip, that's not bad. Yeah, probably not. No battery. Okay, we can live with that. The second transmitter. The receiver. Yeah, no battery. Okay. Okay, the holder for the cell phone. Wire, some jack. Oh, microphone. Another microphone. I think probably that's going to be for the warranty. And user manual. I'm lucky. At least it's in English, one side, and the other side Chinese. So let's go get the battery. Okay, so it's time to put batteries inside. That's the only battery I found in the house. Well, at least they're brand new. Put it here. Put it there. Wait, no, we can't see it. Only 2 battery, so that's not bad. So 1. Perfect. That's good. And in the receiver now. Only 2 battery. Not bad. Okay. Let me talk about those transmitter and receiver. The brand, it's Xtuga. You can buy that on Amazon. The battery are AA. You need to put inside, so you need 6 battery. The frequency, they already program inside, so you have 16 channel. So when you open it, I want to show you. Just open the door. You're going to see FM key. So that's going to be the first channel. And you have 16 already channel program inside. Close it. Turn off. Oops, sorry. Put it back. Et voilà. They say the link you can go, it's about 150 feet, 154 feet, and or 50 meter. They say the working time with the battery, it's 10 hours. But you know, when you put dollar battery, for sure that's less than that. This is for sure. Don't expect to do 10 hours with dollar store battery. So let's try it now. So I'm gonna open this guy here, microphone, and plug it on this here. Et voila. This guy's for this guy. Jack. Okay. I'm going to use this guy here because I'm going to need this guy here for my cell phone. I'm using a Note 8 Samsung to record that video, but all those videos. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so let's install on my cell phone and try it. Okay, let me show you something. I have two microphones on me. This guy here, that's the one I always use with the cable. The brand is going to be Lavalier. I think the word is in French. Lavalier. Lavalier. And I have another one. This guy here is supposed to be wireless. So now when I'm speaking, it's with the cable. Now probably going to see the difference between my voice now and after. Okay, so I still have my two microphones on me, those two, and now the one is working is this guy here, the wireless, because I have the other one here. So now I don't know if you can hear my voice. Probably it's not the same thing because I already tried it and I see my voice just a little bit lower. I'm going to show you a picture of my equipment, and this is flat. You can have not more flat it is. It's time to dress up and go outside. It's -10 with the wind -20. So let's try it. Okay. So, okay. This is roughly 20 foot. What I did, I put my tripod in front of my truck, and the length of my truck is 19 feet. So the tripod to me, it's 20 feet. Let's try it a little bit more. Wow. Okay, so what I did, I placed the tripod behind my Jeep, and my Jeep to all the way to my truck, it's roughly 40 feet. So for me, that's perfect. I don't need more than that, trust me. So if it's working perfectly, I love it. And I'm going to give 2 thumbs up. Let's go home. It's cold outside. I hope you like this video about those transmitter and receiver. Each week, we always have a new video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up. See you later.